Alright, I'm going to shoot this Rock River PDS rifle. And I've made kind of a plethora of bullets that I'll load up here. I got some Hornady Tap 60 grain, some Winchester 5.56, some Wolf 223, some Privy Partisan 55s, PMC 55s, Federal 193s, some Black Hills 77s, and some good old US green tip to this bad boy. So there's the ammo. Throw it in here just so you guys can see what we're shooting. By the way, it's like 18 degrees out today, so pretty awesome. Make sure our camera's on. All right, ready, Freddy? So, not bad. You go to old Rock River PDS. I like it. Doesn't thump too bad. Pretty accurate. I got some accuracy testing with the Vortex scope on there, so we'll see how that works out. And it ate all the ammo we ran through it, so can't beat that with a stick. Ready? All right, just got a mag, a M855 here. I'm just gonna shoot a couple of the targets down here, and so you can kind of see how the rifle recoils, and hopefully we can slow it down to watch the action of it here. Turn the new contour on. Yay! Ready, Freddy? Not bad. Fun little guy to shoot. Alright, here's some more ammo I found. I got these from some 3rd Ranger Battalion guys like 7 years ago. They're pretty nasty and corroded. So I got some tracers in there too. And we'll see if the old PDS rifle will eat these up as well. We don't like it, does it? We'll see. Bad, had one dead, but at least it ate them all up. So far this thing's been doing pretty good. I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna bury this thing in the snow, and it's kind of hot as sin right now, so we'll see how well it does in the snow. So it's loaded, and all safety precautions were taken, and no animals were harmed in the next 20 minutes or so. So I'll go down there. This is that good Arctic snow right there. So, if you set the camera down, I'll leave just a little piece of it so you can see that I'm not messing with it. Alright, so we'll just set her down and maybe we'll shoot some 22 for a while or something.
Is it recording?
Alright, so here's the old Rock River PDS rifle. Thanks to my buddy, it's got some brass stuck to it now. Appreciate that. So we're going to take these in here somewhere. We're going to see if this thing will work. Ready? Ready? Good for my house. Not bad. See if we can get a video of it. She's a little warm. On the bright side, it cleared off all the snow nicely. I feel like I got carpal tunnel in my trigger finger now, but that's part to do with the cold. All right, very good. Okay, so just in case you guys are wondering, here's a PMag. So a lot of people are PMag fans. Just make sure it works in this gun. I am not a PMag fan, but see how it goes. So ran through the PMag, all right. Not bad. It's a pretty good gun. So 20 rounds with the stock folded down. Nice thing about putting the operator on here. Put it on fire. Open. Very good. Good old Rock River PDS rifle for the win. Alright, so we're gonna take this bad boy apart and see what it looks like. Shot probably, I don't know, maybe an even 900 rounds through this thing. So there's the lower, looks good. All the shooting I did was in real cold weather, and I sprayed it with LAW before I shot, and then that was it. Never touched it after that. So we'll take out the guts of this bad boy. I don't know if you can take a look in there. Not bad in comparison. Usually the gas guns get pretty dirty. So here's this guy. Alrighty. We'll take it apart. Nice. Take a little cam pin out. Oh. So usually after 900 rounds of the gas gun, this gets pretty awful, and so does a firing pin. Thing looks like brand new.